Now we start our next lecture, and in this lecture we will discuss about next types of battery, that is alkaline battery. An alkaline battery is a type of primary battery which derives its energy from the reaction between zinc metal and manganese dioxide. Compared with zinc carbon batteries of the cell or zinc chloride types, alkaline have batteries have a higher energy density and longer cell life, yet provides the same voltage. The alkaline batteries gets its name because it has an alkaline electrolyte of potassium hydroxide instead of the acidic ammonium chloride or zinc chloride electrolyte of the zinc carbon batteries. Other battery systems also use alkaline electrolytes, but they use different active materials for the electrodes. Alkaline batteries account for 80% of the manufactured batteries in the US and over 10 billion individual units produced worldwide. In Japan, alkaline batteries account for 46% of all primary battery cells. In Switzerland, alkaline batteries account for 68%, in UK 60%, and in the EU 47% of all battery cells including secondary types. Alkaline batteries contain zinc and manganese dioxide, which can be toxic in higher concentrations. However, compared to other battery types, the toxicity of alkaline batteries is moderate. Now, chemistry of the alkaline battery. In an alkaline battery, the negative electrode is zinc and the positive electrode is manganese dioxide. The alkaline electrolyte of potassium hydroxide is not part of the reaction. Only the zinc and MnO2 manganese dioxide are consumed during discharge. The alkaline electrolyte of potassium hydroxide remains, as there are equal amounts of OH negative ions consumed and produced. The half reaction looking like हम देख सकते हैं. The chemical energy is stored mostly in the zinc metal, whose cohesive free energy per atom is at least 225 kJ per mole higher than that of the three oxides. Now the construction. Alkaline batteries are manufactured in standardized cylindrical forms interchangeable with zinc carbon batteries and in button form. Several individual cells may be interconnected to form a true battery, such as those sold for use with flashlights and the 9-volt transistor radio battery. A cylindrical cell is contained in a drawn stainless steel can, which is the cathode connection, and the positive electrode mixture is a compressed paste of manganese dioxide with carbon powder added for increased conductivity. The paste may be pressed into the can or deposited as free molded rings. The hollow center of the cathode is lined with a separator which prevents contact of the electrode materials and short circuiting of the cell. The separator is made of a non-woven layer of cellulose or a synthetic polymer. The separator must conduct ions and remain stable in the highly alkaline electrolyte solution. The negative electrode is composed of a dispersion of zinc powder in a gel containing the potassium hydroxide electrolyte. The zinc powder provides more surface area for chemical reactions to take place compared to a metal can. This lowers the internal resistance of the cell. To prevent gassing of the cell, At the end of its life, more manganese dioxide is used than required to react with all the zinc. Also, plastic made gasket is usually added to increase leakage resistance. The cell is then wrapped in aluminum foil, a plastic film, cardboard, which act as a fine layer of leak protection as well as providing a surface on which logos and labels can be printed. When describing AAA, AA, C, sub C and D size cells, the negative electrode is connected to the flat end and the positive terminal is the end with the raised button. This is usually reversed in button cells with the flat ended cylindrical can being the positive terminal. Now the recharging of alkaline batteries. Some alkaline batteries are designed to be recharged a few times and are described as rechargeable alkaline batteries. Attempts to recharge standard alkaline batteries may cause rupture or the leaking of hazardous liquid which will corrode the equipment. However, it is reported that standard alkaline batteries can often be recharged a few times with reduced capacity after each charge. Charges are available commercially. Results are not consistent. Consumer organization reported that it tested two such chargers with energized alkaline batteries, finding that battery capacity dropped on average to 10% of its original value. Its capacity is dropped about 10% of its original value with huge variations after 2 cycles. In 2017, Gautam G. Yadav published paper reporting that alkaline batteries made by interleaving the interlayers with copper ions could be recharged for over 6,000 cycles due to the theoretical second electron capacity of manganese dioxide. The energy density of these rechargeable batteries with copper intercalated manganese dioxide is reported to be over 160 watt-hour per liter, the best among the aqueous base chemistries. It could be capable of energy density comparable to lithium ion if zinc utilization in the battery is improved. Okay, thank you.